Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the fifth chapter of our English grammar book, that is nouns possessive case. Means when we use the nouns for showing our possession on something, then we say that nouns are in possessive case. मीन्स कि जब हम नाउन्स को किसी चीज़ के ऊपर अपना अधिकार शो करने के लिए, अपना पोजेशन शो करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, तो हम कहते हैं कि नाउन्स आर इन पोजेसिव केस. सो सिंपली हमने नाउन्स को पोजेसिव केस में चेंज करने के लिए क्या करना है, हम एपोस्ट्रोफी एस यूज़ करते हैं. सो टुडे वी हैव टू लर्न that when we have to use apostrophe s and when we don't have to use apostrophe s and when we have to use only apostrophe. So there are mainly 4 possessive cases in which we have to learn that how to use apostrophe for making the nouns in possessive case. So first one is, you can see here, first example, when nouns are given in singular form. My dog's name is Tommy. These are Simmy's books. So here you can see that the word dog apostrophe s and Simmy apostrophe s. These are the two words that are showing possession. So these nouns are in possessive case. My dog's name is Tommy means मेरे कुत्ते का नाम टॉमी है. These are Simmy's books means यह सिमी की बुक्स है. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो वर्ड है सिमी एपोस्ट्रोफी एस, ये क्या है, बुक्स के ऊपर सिमी का पोजेशन शो कर रहा है. इट मीन्स कि व्हेन अ नाउन इज गिवन इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म देन वी ऐड एपोस्ट्रोफी एस फॉर शोइंग द पोजेशन. Means the possessive case of singular noun is formed by adding apostrophe s. So then next form, when the nouns are given in plural form. जब nouns plural form में दिए होते हैं तो हमने क्या करना है, for example, the baby tore her sister's books. So here the word sisters is showing the possession. The wind broke the birds' nests. So here the word birds, this is showing possession of birds on the nests. So you can notice that sisters, the word sisters is already in plural form. It is already given in plural form. Birds is also already given in plural form. So we don't need to put another s here. We just have to put apostrophe. Means कि if the nouns are given in plural form, then we don't add another s and at the end of the nouns. Means कि अगर तो noun हमें singular form में दिए थे तो हमने क्या किया था, नाउन के साथ एपोस्ट्रोफी एस लगा दिया था, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डॉग भी एक ही है, सिमी भी एक ही है, हमने इसके साथ एपोस्ट्रोफी एस लगा के इसको पोजेसिव केस में चेंज कर दिया था. बट यहाँ पे ये प्लूरल फॉर्म में दिया गया है. सिस्टर्स ज़्यादा है, इसके साथ ऑलरेडी एस लगा हुआ है. बर्ड्स भी ज़्यादा है, इसके साथ ऑलरेडी एस लगा हुआ है. तो हमने इसके साथ एक और एस नहीं लगाना, हमने सिंपल इसके एंड में एपोस्ट्रोफी लगा देनी है. Then the next, the children's school was near their homes. We could hear the people's cries in the hospital. So here you can notice that the word children's is showing possession and here the word people's is showing possession. It means that these two words are showing possession. These are in possessive case. But the word children, this word doesn't end with s. This is already in प्लूरल फॉर्म, ये भी प्लूरल फॉर्म में ही है, बट इसके साथ इसके एंड में क्या है, एस नहीं लगा हुआ. इट डजेंट एंड विद एस. एंड इन द सेम वे द वर्ड पीपल इज ऑलरेडी इन प्लूरल फॉर्म बट इट इज नॉट एंडिंग विद s. It ends with e and this ends with n. So in such cases we add apostrophe s. In such cases we add apostrophe s at the end of the noun. It means what we have learned, that if the noun is given in plural form but ends with s, अगर noun plural form में दिया है बट उसका जो end है s के साथ हो रहा है, वो जो ख़त्म है and s के साथ होता है, तो हमने again s नहीं लगाना, हमने सिर्फ apostrophe लगा देनी है. But if a noun is given in plural form and doesn't end with s, then we have to put apostrophe s at the end of the noun. In next case, in case of non-living things, the cupboard's keys are lost. So here cupboard's keys is showing possession. Then the tree's leaves are dry. Here the tree's leaves are showing possession, but it is wrong because we don't use apostrophe s with non-living things. We don't use apostrophe s with non-living things. So how we'll write it? We'll write it like the keys of the cupboard. The keys of the cupboard are lost. The leaves of the trees are dry. Means we use the preposition of, we use here the preposition of for showing the possession. Means if the nouns are given in non-living things, the nouns are non-living, then we don't use apostrophe s, we use preposition of for showing the possession. So here we have learned 4 things. First one have that when the noun is given in singular form, then we will add apostrophe s for showing possession. And if the noun is given in plural form and ends with s, then it doesn't need another s. We just have to put only apostrophe at the end of the noun. And if the nouns are given in plural form and don't end with s, then we have to put apostrophe s at the end of nouns. But if the nouns are non-living things, then we don't write it like that. We don't use apostrophe s. We just have to use preposition of. For better understanding, you can read page number 22, 23 and 24 of your English grammar book, and subscribe this channel for getting more videos and for getting your homework daily. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.